After a weak closing last Friday and negative sentimental news in the market, is Nifty going to do a neutral or a bearish start? So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, GIFT Nifty is down 118 points, which means we are going to have a gap down opening today. If you look at the charts for GIFT Nifty, we were making higher highs and now we have broken that trend and we are looking towards a support around 25,150. For time being, we'll see a negative sentiment because of this news around H1B visa and Chabahar port sanction and all. That is creating a negative sentiment and somewhat fear in the market. So we'll come and we'll touch around the 25,150 level. After that, we can see further push back upside or higher side, and that will be a good buying point for us. For time being, it's gonna be negative. Looking at FIIs and EIs section, we have buying from both sides last Friday, but in today's market sentiment, we can see some slightly different number, especially in IT sector. So brace yourself and look for an impact after this negative sentiment news and somewhat fear in the market. Currency, we'll keep this as neutral, no major changes or update. India VIX increased last Friday, and today we can see further spikes in India VIX in both sides because we have some fear sentiment, and then after that people will start buying again. So there'll be some spikes today, and we'll keep this as a negative slightly. US market closed higher last Friday. Oil is trading higher and gold is also trading higher. So from commodity side, the signal is very clear. We have a negative sentiment from commodity side. Both are trading higher, which is not really a good scenario for us. US market closed higher. There are a few reasons because of that it ended up closing higher. One was nuclear stocks and second was quantum stocks. Both of these sectors were performing really good. Other than that, there was some earning release from FedEx side and some other global factors which gave further strength to US market and end up closing higher. Looking at the sector level for US market, you can see all the sectors were really strong other than energy and real estate. If you exclude that, the market was really bullish and there was a buying in all the different domains. Looking at Indian market levels, Nifty's current price is 25,327. Resistance is going to be 25,490. We are not going to touch that resistance today, so forget about that. Look at the initial support, which is 25,260. After the gap down opening, we might be closing somewhere around this level, and we can see further down pressure. So our second support is going to be around 25,120. I have given 120, but you can also look towards 25,150, which is also a crucial support level. On the chart levels, you can see like I have those levels identified already. Look for some support over there. If market cannot hold those levels, then we'll see further selling pressure, and this is mostly because of the negative sentiment news we have in the market. So look for stock specific action and make sure you book your